Hey guys, Abdul with 615 Auto here. Just want to show you all this Civic Si that I got from Insurance Auto Auctions IAA. Has some damage right here. Let's see if we can open the door. Oh, there it goes. Looks like the airbag might be popped. The seat airbag's popped. Is gonna need a new headliner. Looks like the guy tried to staple it a little. Didn't work. Been stuck trying to get this passenger door open so I can see the subframe better to see how bad it is, but it's pretty stuck, so I'm gonna have to see what I can work with there. This is one of my dream cars that I've always really wanted to own, and I got a really good deal on it. I'll be taking y'all with me on the journey to fix it up. When the car first came, I looked inside and I didn't see the SI floor mats, and I was a little disappointed because I really like those, and the cheapest price I can find for them online was around 150 bucks. So then I popped open the trunk, and luckily the previous owner left them in here for me, all in mint condition. It's a great car. I took it for a little spin, started right up. It was only 106,000 miles. It's a 2011 Honda Civic Si. Only light on the dash is the airbag, of course. Also, I was lucky enough that the previous owner left me all the service manuals and owner's manuals, including the Michelin tire manual as well. Sounds good. It's a little dusty, but it doesn't stop her from running as good as she does. So sorry about the quality of the video. It's my first video, but hopefully there'll be more to come. There'll be better quality, of course. I'll be taking y'all on the journey of me fixing her up, and y'all can leave suggestions of what kind of videos you'd like to see in the comments. Any maintenance work or maybe even some body work. I'll try to get a video of it. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you.